Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Royal House of Thebes Notes. This is a little background information about the family of Oedipus and Antigone. Remember, Oedipus was Antigone's father. So, guys, way back in their family tree was a king named Minosius. Okay. He, Jocasta, Laius, Oedipus, Megarius, Eteocles, and Polynices are deceased at the time of the play Antigone. So by the time the play Antigone takes place, those people are already deceased. But here's the relations. So Minosius is the father of Creon and Jocasta. Creon is Jocasta's brother, and he married Eurydice, and they had two sons, Megarius and Haman. Megarius is already deceased before the play. Haman is now the only living son of Creon and Eurydice, so all the eggs in one basket, so to say. He is currently engaged to Antigone during the play Antigone, so Haman and Antigone are going to be married. So that's a little creepy if you've put this together that is his cousin. Okay, remember Creon and Jocasta are brother and sister. Jocasta married Laius, King Laius, and in their marriage they had a son named Oedipus. You've already read his story now. Oedipus actually was sent away because it was said that he was going to kill his father and sleep with his mother. Well, that didn't work out so well, did it? If you read Oedipus, you understand that Oedipus lives, he was not killed, and he in fact does come back to Thebes, and he kills his father Laius, and he ends up marrying his mother because he is the one and only person who was able to answer the Sphinx's riddle. So, as a reward, he gets to be king and marry Queen Jocasta. Okay, she may have been a very young mother, but yes, this is creepy, okay? I don't say that this is right, but he didn't know that this was his mother at the time that this happened, okay? Oedipus is not aware that Jocasta was his mother. He was adopted by a family in another city away from Thebes, and he was raised by them, so he doesn't know. Anyway, they're married, and they have a lot of children. They have 4 children. Antigone, who our play is centered around, Ismene, her sister, so these are 2 girls, and they had 2 sons, Eteocles and Polynices. Okay? Now, Eteocles and Polynices, after Oedipus is banished, the 2 of them are supposed to rule every other year, okay, because they're the boys, and they're going to share the throne, and they will rule every other year. Only thing is that Eteocles is the first one to go, and he's encouraged by Creon to keep the throne after that first year and deny Polynices his chance. So Polynices gets mad, and he amasses an army, and he attacks Thebes to get Eteocles off of the throne. But before he does this, he asks Antigone to bury him if he should die in battle. And she has made the promise that yes, she will do this. Of course, it's her brother. Okay, so she promises that she would bury his body. Eteocles and Polynices, in fact, fight each other, and they die at each other's hands just before the play Antigone begins. So Antigone begins the morning after the 2 boys or 2 young men have killed each other, and she now has to bury Polynices' body. So, guys, that's the beginning of our story. It will start with the prologos,